The Amazon rainforest, Earth's greatest treasury of life, where beauty conceals danger. The blue poison dart frog, just 4 centimeters long, yet deadly enough to kill 10 men.
Its vivid blue warns predators, touch me and die. But for tiny insects, this warning comes too late.
Nature's perfect warning. Beauty and death in one small package. A jewel with a lethal secret.
The strawberry poison dart frog, red as fire, toxic as any serpent, nature's most vibrant warning.
A devoted mother. She carries her tadpole to water pools high above. Each offspring gets its own private nursery. The green and black dart frog. Bold patterns break its outline. Camouflage and warning combined perfectly. Territory is everything. 2 males clash. Only one can claim this prime real estate near water. Bold patterns evolved over millennia. A genetic masterpiece. Survival through advertisement. Beauty as armor. The yellow-banded dart frog. Stripes like a tiger. Toxin like a viper. Small but formidable. Evolution painted these stripes, each band a brushstroke, a masterpiece millions of years in the making. The dying dart frog. Electric blue legs flash with every step, a walking warning sign. He rises tall, blue legs extended, a challenge issued, back away or face the consequences. Blue and black, the colors of danger. 1 billion years of evolution in one small body. The mimic poison frog. Smaller than a coin. It copies deadlier species to survive. Tiny but relentless. Each ant provides the toxins it needs. Without this diet, the frog is harmless. Survival through deception. Evolution's clever trick. Small, vulnerable, yet untouchable through imitation.
The golden poison dart frog, the most lethal. 1 milligram kills 10 men. It fears nothing.
No camouflage needed, no hiding. Its brilliance announces, I am golden perfection. The most beautiful, the most deadly, nature's final master. The rainforest endures, its jewels still shine. But their future rests with us.